We got some more goodies in the mail today, so I wanted to check it out. You can obviously see this little mess up. Thanks, Amazon. Remember, you can always support my channel by going to Amazon. There'll be a link in the description down below. But yeah, we got the AMD Radeon 5700 XT, the 8 gig. We got this is basically a I don't know what you want to call it. NVIDIA changed it to Founders. I think AMD pretty much has it as just a reference card. I just say reference anyway, so that's what we're going to do. Most of the time you guys see me talking about NVIDIA cards or motherboards or just, you never really hear me talking about the AMD GPU side. So I'm actually a little excited about this one because I haven't really seen that much content that I've liked. As far as the 5700 XT, as far as benching and stuff like that. So, I don't know. I wanted to kind of get in. I bought this one myself from Amazon. Obviously, you can tell by the crappy shipping. But yeah, so I wanted to do an unboxing. And obviously, I usually do unboxings. I don't open it before. So for me to do anything, I want to make sure I check out first. So let's get into it. So basically what I do is I hold off to basically opening it because I want you to see my gut reaction on what things are. So I guess let's just open this puppy up, right? So, but yeah, AMD's this is on the new 7 nanometer process, which is not actually made by AMD. It's I forget what they called it off on the spin-off as the new foundry or whatever. But yeah, let's check it up. So this is the MSI version, which they're pretty much very similar. There's not much difference between reference cards. Some just kind of boost the clocks up and everything. So, but yeah. So let's check this out. Make a lot of noise, you know. It's pretty cool. So I'm really interested. I haven't really touched an AMD card in a long time. So this is going to be kind of a new thing for me. So it'll be cool to see. So we're going to end up modding this card in the future. And we're going to do some hard mods. There's some software mods that we're going to check out. I'm going to get some more info on that. And we'll also be doing live streaming with Steve from Gamers Nexus on the card. So putting on LN2 and all that good stuff. And I want to do some memory mods and some hard modding. We'll do it like, I'll break it down, take it apart, insulate it, show you all that good stuff. But let's get to the card, right? So MSI likes to always add a little extra envelope in there, and you get some cool info. At least you did on other stuff, but let's see what we get. Oh, I like the install guides, which is pretty big and in every language. Look at this, even for Roman, huh? Douche, I mean German. But yeah, just an install guide to show you how to do stuff, which is cool. I like that. Always into install guides because that way you don't mess stuff up. Well, thank you for buying an MSI product. And basically the GPU, and it doesn't look like there's anything else in there, so that's pretty much it. But yeah, let's go kind of take a look at the card. So yeah, my initial thoughts of the card, I mean, it's pretty cool looking. I mean, it almost looks like someone bent the hell out of it, or kind of just like banged it down, just hit somebody. I mean, I guess it would be a good weapon, you know. Not like my big monstrosity Xeon board, but yeah, it kind of looks like someone dented it. Maybe that's why Amazon messed it up. I don't know. Kind of weird. Why not just make it all straight? And yeah, it's kind of weird. But other than that, I always like the red and black colors. I mean, they're pretty cool. It comes with a backplate, which is always good. Takes some helps with the cooling. I noticed they put stickers on there. I hate when manufacturers do that, but MSI is kind of known for that. When we take this thing apart, they're gonna know based upon that, which I don't really like, but whatever. What are you gonna do? But yeah, it's a blower style card. 8 gig of memory, like I said before, the 7 nanometer. 5700 XT, so I guess it's going to be interesting to see. I've heard pretty bad things about the blower and how it's really loud, but I don't know. I mean, what are you expecting from a blower version? They've been like that for years, but we'll most likely water cool this thing with some cool blocks, and then we're obviously going to put this thing on liquid nitrogen. So I don't know, I guess stay tuned for that. I mean, kind of weird. It's like almost like I feel like I can't believe this is intentional. It's kind of funny. Like, I mean, how much work did they put in to actually put that? So it's kind of funny. I mean, we're not going to keep it on the cooler on there. It's probably going to be loud. I would probably highly recommend getting like a water block from EK or I don't know, Thermaltake or any of the cool vendors. But yeah, not digging this thing. I feel like someone like fell over and broke. But anyways, so yeah, that's the Radeon 5700 XT by MSI. So I mean, pretty normal looking card, average, but I guess what matters most is what it does, right? So we'll check it out and kind of see what it does, and we'll do some liquid nitrogen on it, memory mods, and I chose the reference because it's going to be one of the easier ones to mod. And that way, like if you guys want to mod yourselves and stuff, you can pretty much take it. And always remember that just because I do something doesn't mean you can. So, and if you mess it up, it ain't my fault. If you don't like it, it's too bad. So, but anyways, yeah, thanks for checking it out, and stay tuned for more videos on the Radeon 5700 XT. All right, slack out.